Keith Fitz with us. That will be Keith Fitz-Gerald. I do apologize for shortening the name there. But Keith,
no worries.
I'm sure you've been watching this, and I want you to tell me, if you can, what's with health insurance stocks and drug company stocks? I ask the question because throughout the morning we've seen Obamacare threatened. The Republicans say they're going to repeal this thing as of February the 20th. And I also saw the health insurers, their stocks come down. Can you explain the relationship between Obamacare and the stock price of health insurers and drug companies?
Absolutely. This is like last call for a bar fanatic. What they're doing is to gasp. The Obamacare has fed the profits directly of those healthcare insurers. I think they tumble by 30, 40, even 50% if Obamacare gets taken away, because it's going to impact their subsidies and their profit margins. It'd be great to get back to the patients, to the doctors. That actually speaks well for the pharmaceutical companies. So you're going to have a split here that we haven't seen in years, and it's going to be good for both sides.
So, okay, let me summarize this. Health insurer stocks will probably come down. They've started to move down already. But the drug companies, the big pharmaceutical companies, they may stay stable or rise slightly. Is that the way you see this thing coming down?
Yes, because health insurance are driven by a profit mechanism that's totally artificial. Obamacare, the pharmaceutical companies are driven by patent-protected, developed drugs for which they have to have a revenue stream. So one of my recommendations in 2017, for example, has got that built into it, and it's a tremendous source of multiple billions of dollars worth of profit potentials investors can tap into.
Now, tell me about that, because you're our market guy. You're an investor, and you manage money. That's what you do. So which stocks would you buy to take advantage of the demise of Obamacare?
Well, the number one on my list is a stock we've talked a lot about recently, is AbbVie. They've got the world's largest selling blockbuster rheumatoid arthritis drug, Humira. And this thing counts for 50–60% of the revenue for here, but you're talking about tens of billions of dollars worth of potential in a time where we're all getting older and arthritis is a very real threat. So that, to me, is interesting. The profit margin on that particular company, you've got 77% gross profit margin, 24.08% net, and it pays 4.1% in dividends. You know, that's great for income-starved investors.